Alright, so here it is, Purity 2. Not really, but kinda. This is like the Korg Trinity, so essentially this is a VST version of like the hardware synthesizer, the Korg Trinity, that came out in 1995. Korg's flagship synthesizer after like the M1, which is like a similar style synth, but it was like ended up getting discontinued. It came out in like the 80s or something. But the sound engine on the Trinity is based on like PCM synthesis, and back in the day it had like a 24 megabyte ROM chip that had over 1,000 individual samples. I'm pretty sure it's like 1,000 megabytes is like 1 gig, something around that number. This is obviously an old piece of gear. So then up here we've got program, or we've got combination. So the program is like individual preset, can have up to 2 oscillators, whereas like a combination is a stack of up to 8 different individual programs. So there's obviously a crazy amount of layering that you can do. That's kind of why this synth is so renowned for how kind of eccentric the sounds are that come out of it. But yeah, as you can see, this is what Purity looks like. This is what Trinity looks like. So yeah, anyway, it's here. Korg Trinity. We can click over here on these presets and it brings up like a category menu, so you can filter through preset surf or whatever, different banks and stuff. I'm just going to dive in. I'm going to use this because I haven't used it that much, and we'll see what it's capable of.